Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 19, OV 243. पाय लागता धरेसी 2 रुपये निसणवाल्यासी दिधले बाबांनी अति दक्षतेसी अविलंबितेसी तात्काळ. As soon as his feet touched the ground, he very meticulously gave 2 rupees to the person who had brought the ladder for him so promptly. लाविली 2 ठाई शिडी, हीच काय ती श्रमाची प्रौढी, यदर्थ बाबा भरपाई एवढी, करी ती फेडी तयाची. The man had only fixed the ladder at 2 places. That was the only work he had accomplished, and about which he could be proud, and in return Baba gave him so much. जनास सहजी जिज्ञासा, निसणवाल्यास इतुका पैसा, बाबा देती तरी हा कैसा, म्हणती हे पुसा तयास. People were naturally curious and thought, how could Baba give so much money to the person who had brought the ladder for him, and talked amongst themselves. केला एकाने ते धवा धीर, बाबा देती प्रत्युत्तर, कोणाच्याही श्रमाचा भार, फुकट लवभार घेऊ नये. At that time, somebody took courage to ask. Baba replied, nobody should take another's labor in any way, free of charge. कोणाही पासूनी घ्यावे काम, परी जाणावे तयाचे श्रम, लावावा जीवास ऐसा नियम, फुकट परिश्रम घेऊ नये. One can accept work from a person, but one should always evaluate a person's efforts and repay. One should discipline oneself never to take free services from anyone. कोणी जाणावे खरे इंगित, बाबा हे का ऐसे करीत, हे तो तयाचे तया अवगत, संतांतर्गत अतिगूढ. Who can have the profound understanding of Baba's behavior? Only he knew. The minds of the saints are not penetrable. परिसता मुखीचे उद्गार, तेच सर्वस्वी आम्हा आधार, ठेविता तैसा वर्तन निर्धार, चालेल व्यवहार सुरळीत. The words from his mouth that we listen to were our guides and support. If we firmly believe and behave accordingly, our daily lives will be smooth. असो पुढील अध्यायाची गोडी, याहुनी आहे अति चोखडी, एका मोलकरिणीची पोर भाबडी, कोडे उलगडी श्रुतीचे. So be it. The next chapter is definitely more enjoyable than this. It is about an innocent young daughter of a maidservant who uncovers the very spirit of the Shruti. गणुदास प्रासादिक हरिदास, उपकार करावा प्राकृत जनास, ईशावास्य भाषांतरास, करावया कास घातली. Ganudas, who was a blessed Kirtankar, had taken to heart to translate the Ishavasya Upanishad into vernacular for the benefit of the Marathi-speaking people. साई कृपे ग्रंथ लिहिला, परी काही गूढार्थ राहिला, तेणे मनास संशय पडला, कैसा फेडिला बाबांनी. He wrote the book with Sai's blessings, but some deeper meaning was not clear to him and created doubts in his mind. See how Baba cleared them. बाबा वदत शिरडीत बसून, पारल्यास जै जासील परतोन, काकांच्या घरची मोलकरीण, शंका समाधान करील. While sitting in Shirdi, Baba said to him, when you return to Parle, The maid servant at Kaka's house will clear your doubt.